Hi everyone. Today I came up with another video unboxing. Especially this is RIGOL oscilloscope, 4-channel oscilloscope. We can if you see the box, and we can go through the inside what we can get it. If you see, this is a standard RIGOL brand packaging, and if you see the details, here you can see the model numbers and where it is origin from, everything details you can see. RIGOL digital oscilloscope, and the model is DH0914. Okay, and this is made in China. And if we go through the box, it's a two-level packing is there for this RIGOL. And if you see, this is the original package box, the standard RIGOL black theme with the brand RIGOL. And this is the this is the seal you can see here. Might be in the video it is maybe you not able to see completely visible, but it is showing like a RIGOL possibilities and more. That is the theme they are kept it. And if we can go through the model details, same models we can see here. RIGOL digital oscilloscope DH0914, and the serial number and everything you can see here. Again, made in China. And if you go for unboxing, so I'm tearing the seal. Okay, the package wise is very it's look very good and very clean, and it's like a, now we can see what we can get inside. I think this is the oscilloscope. We can see yes, this is the RIGOL DH914 125 megahertz oscilloscope, 1.25 GPP sample per second, gigabit sample per second, 12-bit ultra vision. This is the model, and this is the basic specification. It's a 4-channel digital oscilloscope. Each channel is the 125 megahertz, and you can see this one. I'm not able to see any screen protector kind of thing. At least when we trying to purchase this kind of premium, at least the screen film basic is then expected. That is what I felt it, and I'm seeing there is no screen filter kind of thing. Basically, this is a touch based digital oscilloscope, and this is what this is look like. The standard 4-channel and vertical and horizontal controls, and you can see here. And warranty void if broken, the warranty seal is here. And this is the basic legs. Yeah, the sound is very nice. Comes a basic stand with this is the power and USB and LE connector. And if you see the back, aux out and USB device, LAN we can connect it, and HDMI, USB-C for power adapter, where we can connect HDMI for external monitor, and basically LAN. The USB device, I'm not sure about it, but I will explore, and in maybe in future videos maybe we can cover. And the serial number and where it is manufactured and the barcodes, and this is the ground pin. And this weight wise it's very easy to carry anywhere. And just for 1 minute I can keep aside, and we can go for other things. If you see, total we got it like it's a 4 channel, so 4 oscilloscope probes we got it 4. And apart from that, standard Indian power cord. Actually this is not a standard for India, but India can support. This is like a Europe, especially Germany or Finland, maybe those areas we can see this kind of power plugs anyway. And this is one thing, and this is where the type C power adapter. Standard type C, yeah, but this design is good. It's kind of locking mechanism. And apart from that, if we go through the power adapter specifications, the output of this one is like a 5 volts 3 amps, 9 volts 3 amps, 12 volts 3 amps. But if we go the above, even 15 volts 3 amps or 20 volts 3 amps. If you go to the maximum voltage and current rating, mostly it is like a 65 watt kind of power adapter. It's a 65 power adapter, 65 watt. And as I said, yeah, I connected the power adapter and I turn on it, and you can see this oscilloscope is fully turned on. And if we go through the probes, and along with the probes, I think these are the items we received it. Okay, this particular probe model is PVP 3150, the RIGOL brand, and CAT2. And in the 10K resolution, you can I think measure to 300 volts at 10x and 1x. It's a 150 is written it. Okay, yeah, quality wise is very good. Definitely this particular probes might be 150 range probes. And if you see here, basic color coding, you can see the 4 channels, right? Which channel you are going to use this probe, that color we can connect, and according to whenever we are using it, we can easily classification and identification we can done it. And apart from that, this small screwdriver kind of thing is there, right? With that we can do this potentiometer. Might be this is for calibration or something. As of now I'm not aware of it, but it seems like some kind of calibration only. And if you see the basic multimeter view, and if you see, yeah, this is purely touch, and you can see that here a lot of options is there. I need to explore more, and I can in further, if you give some kind of support, definitely I will do the more videos about how we can use this oscilloscope. And if I face any issues, I can report in this forum. Maybe if anyone can know, please help me. This is the first this is my first digital oscilloscope. This is it's a little bit expensive only in India, especially. Almost this is in between 65 to 84K kind of in between range. You will get it. This is a standard 7-inch 7-inch display screen, touch screen you can see here. Thank you. Please support my channel.